Have you ever looked at a shiny new car in a dealership and imagined yourself driving away with the deal of a lifetime, only to discover a few years later that it quietly drained tens of thousands of dollars from your wallet? The biggest mistake many car buyers make isn't choosing the wrong color or missing a feature. It's buying a vehicle that becomes a financial nightmare long after the excitement of the purchase disappears. Today, we're counting down the cars that can turn your dream purchase into a money pit, and by the end of this video, you'll know which vehicles could cost you far more than you ever expected. Before we dive in, if you enjoy smart car buying tips that can save you thousands of dollars, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. You might thank yourself the next time you're shopping for a new ride. When people think about losing money on a car, they usually focus on monthly payments. But that's only part of the story. A true money pit takes your cash in two painful ways. First, it loses value incredibly fast through depreciation. Second, it keeps asking for more money through maintenance, repairs, and ownership costs. A vehicle can look like a bargain on day one, but become an expensive mistake over the next several years. That's why today's list looks at both of these factors instead of relying on opinions or internet rumors. Starting the countdown is the Ford Mustang Mach-E. While many drivers appreciate its electric performance and modern styling, its resale value has been a major concern. Over several years of ownership, it can lose well over half of its original value. Electric vehicles have been improving so quickly that older models often struggle to stay competitive. Even though maintenance costs may be lower than some gasoline vehicles, the steep depreciation alone makes this one a difficult financial decision for many buyers. Next comes the Nissan Leaf, one of the pioneers of affordable electric transportation. It helped introduce many people to EV ownership, but technology has moved forward at an incredible pace. Earlier battery designs and limited driving range make older Leafs much less attractive on the used market. As newer electric cars offer better range, faster charging, and more advanced features, the Leaf has seen some of the steepest depreciation in the industry. The Volkswagen ID.4 also lands on the list. Some reports have pointed to recall concerns and periods of high inventory at dealerships, making it easier for buyers to negotiate lower prices. While that might sound like good news for someone shopping today, it also means resale values can suffer. When dealerships have large numbers of unsold vehicles sitting on lots, used versions often become even harder to sell at strong prices. Another vehicle raising concerns is the Chevrolet Blazer EV. Reliability predictions and early owner reports have created caution among potential buyers. Some owners have mentioned issues involving battery systems, climate controls, and infotainment displays. While every vehicle can experience occasional problems, expensive electronic components can quickly turn a simple repair into a costly visit to the service department. There is no guarantee every owner will experience these issues, but they are worth considering before making a purchase. Moving into the middle of our countdown, we find the GMC Acadia. This SUV has faced criticism for below-average reliability ratings in several studies. Owners have reported concerns involving transmissions, brakes, electronic accessories, and other mechanical systems. Even if only a portion of these vehicles experience problems, repeated repairs can become frustrating and expensive. Buying a family SUV should bring peace of mind, not constant service appointments. At the fifth position, Infiniti earns two places with the QX60 and the larger QX80. Luxury vehicles often experience heavier depreciation than mainstream brands, and these models are no exception. They can lose enormous amounts of value within just a few years. While the luxurious interiors and premium features are attractive, buyers should remember that expensive vehicles don't just cost more to purchase. Parts, maintenance, insurance, and repairs usually carry premium prices as well. Just missing the podium are Tesla's Model S and Model X. These vehicles transformed the electric vehicle market and introduced technology that changed the entire industry. However, depreciation has become a significant issue for these discontinued models. Rapid price adjustments in the EV market, combined with newer technology entering showrooms, have made resale values much weaker than many owners expected. It's important to note that this doesn't apply to every Tesla model, and some continue to perform much better in reliability and resale comparisons. The third biggest money pit belongs to the BMW 7 Series. Luxury sedans have always struggled with depreciation, and this flagship model is one of the most dramatic examples. The moment these cars leave the dealership, their value begins dropping quickly. On top of that, maintenance costs remain firmly in luxury territory. Even relatively small repairs can carry surprisingly large bills. Interestingly, BMW has earned respectable reliability ratings compared to several European competitors. But reliability alone cannot overcome the enormous financial hit from depreciation. The runner-up is Maserati, represented by the Ghibli and Grecale. There's no denying these vehicles have exotic styling and an unmistakable road presence. But owning one can become incredibly expensive. High ownership costs, rapid depreciation, and costly repairs combine to create one of the biggest financial challenges in the luxury market. For many buyers, the excitement of owning an Italian luxury vehicle fades long before the repair bills stop arriving. Finally, the number one money pit is the Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV has built an incredible reputation for luxury, capability, and prestige, but it has also earned a reputation for draining bank accounts. Massive depreciation is only part of the story. Long-term maintenance expenses are among the highest in the industry. It's common to hear jokes that if you want to drive one every day, you should own two, because one might always be at the repair shop. While that's obviously an exaggeration, it reflects the concerns many owners and industry experts have shared over the years. So what can we learn from this list? The most expensive car isn't always the one with the highest sticker price. Sometimes, it's the one that quietly loses thousands of dollars in value while demanding expensive repairs along the way. A lower purchase price doesn't automatically make a vehicle a bargain either. Looking beyond the monthly payment and researching depreciation, reliability, and ownership costs can save you an incredible amount of money over the life of a vehicle.